Hello everyone, good morning and welcome back to my channel. It has been quite a while since I filmed a video. Today, or this video, you are spending the weekend with me, and this morning I am making lamingtons because my husband has requested some lamingtons, so that's what we're going to do first. My cat is hungry and I kind of need to get her some cat food, so got to do this quickly. And I'm pretty sure I'm going to be doing this in two parts. It's got to freeze for about an hour before I can ice them anyway, so yay! I hope you have all been well. I have been well, and I can't talk and type at the same time apparently. Butter, sugar, vanilla extract, eggs, flour, milk. Oh, do I have milk? Coconut. Okay. Let's go into my cupboards. It's a bit of an unorganized mess, but hey Siri, set timer for half an hour.
30 minutes, starting now.
The cake is out of the oven and I'm about to head down the shops and also have a bit of a walk. The paths are all muddy because of all the rain that we had in the last week or two. The park flooded and we can't walk around the park at the moment, so we've come to the other park. It's all muddy here as well, but at least it's not flooded and you can walk through it. The lake has come into the pathway.
Looks like a penis.
It does look like a penis, sort of. I'm just having a little bit of a relaxing evening. I have just had a shower, popped some comfy clothes on, and I'm about to do some meditation because I have been getting quite into meditating recently. Yeah, I used to do it a lot and then I just stopped, but it's very good for clearing my mind, and I always have like 1,000 thoughts all at once, and this is a way for me to just shush my brain for a while and just I come out of it with clarity of thoughts, and yeah, it's very helpful for me. Dinner tonight is a roast, so I'm also looking forward to that. But yeah, before that, I've gotta unwind a bit. Headphones in. Time to relax. I got pretty cold and I just realized that the window was open. So yeah, felt good. I have to say I almost fell asleep. So I finished cleaning the kitchen, this room. I've got the lounge room to do, which isn't too much. It's just the fireplace and the coffee table. I got interrupted halfway through because the roofers came back. So my roof got redone last month, I think. So it was about a month and a half where they were doing works on the roof, and the original issue of flooding didn't get resolved. So we've gone back to the landlord and we're like, look, it just keeps flooding and it's actually made the problem worse. So they've come back. So the issue was that because I'm in a terrace house, there are 6 houses using the one drain pipe, which is a few doors down, and that was causing all the water to just topple down in our front garden. So they have now today installed a drain pipe, which hopefully solves the issue and I don't get soaked whenever it's raining and I need to get in and out of the house. It was freezing cold out there. I dressed warm and I got a little bit too hot on my walk, but I have an iced beverage which should cool me down. So I went ahead and got the gingerbread frappe with coffee. It's part of the Starbucks Christmas menu and I haven't had one before, so I'm excited to try. I added some whipped cream and I also got some kind of brownie they offered to me at like 50% off, so I couldn't say no. And I think the total spend was £5.75 and I had a £5 gift card, paid 75p on the card. So it tastes exactly like a gingerbread and I love gingerbread cookies, so really good. I love it. I was tossing up whether to get it hot or cold, but I went with the cold option. Even though it's freezing cold outside, it is so refreshing. We're just about to head down to the Christmas fair / light switch on. Time to head on out. There's a car right out the door.
Are you gonna try the Guinness game?
I don't like Guinness.
You don't like Guinness? What's the Guinness game?
You gotta get it between the heart and the...
Ah, well, let's see. Alright, hang on.
Kind of.
I think that's pretty fucking spot on.
In the middle.
It's like right on the edge of the heart. So what's going on?
Just trying. I've had it before, maybe 10 years back. Didn't quite like it. Maybe my tastes have changed. Smells a little chocolatey. So this is me signing off. Thank you so much for joining me. If you enjoyed it, make sure to give it a thumbs up, and it definitely won't be 6 months in between videos this time, I promise. My next video is coming out shortly, and I will see you guys in the next one. Bye for now.